Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. Uh, Very interesting development. So just wanted to share with you guys quickly. This was the chart I made on the 14th, saying that this might be coming, bouncing either from here, from 31.67, 68, whatever it is, and or maybe it's going to drop somewhere here and then bounce, right? And then it was 61% here, and then usually, when it bounced from 61%, it goes back to 23%, right? Usual. So this is what happened, and this is a very nice correction, A, B, C. I don't know if it's wave 4, wave 2, or wave B, whatever, right? But it's a correction, that's for sure. So after that comes impulse wave to the upside. That's what the idea is, and still there. So now, what happened to this chart as of now? You can see here my computer, as soon as I start this Zoom, it gets very slow. I don't know what's happening with the Zoom here. So this is what happens. It came down here a little bit, right? Below this area, and then it went up. It bounced from there all the way to 31.52. Oh, sorry, 32.52, right there, just above that. And then from there on, it started down. So yesterday I opened the trade, but that trade was not with my system or my setup. It was just the buy low, sell high kind of thing. So I had this idea that it's going to bounce exactly from there, and then I went long using my 500 box size, and then I cash out all the way to the top. But coming down, yes, I did that. Use my system, and then this is the trade I did. It's coming down. Excuse me. Sell order is right there, and then from there, and it survived for 430 pip. And I just closed a little while ago, and it went down even more, a lot more actually. So this is what's happening currently. Let me show you. This is what I wanted to show. That this is where we stand right now. Okay, if you draw the TL from here to this high here, you see that it is actually, it broke above the TL, and then it came back and testing the backside of it, and then the price usually does that all the time, and it is again around 61%, and this is that number 31.67 from the left right there, right? So this is exactly what's happening. And I think that it is a very good area that we will bounce again. Why? Because if you pull the fib from the bottom going to the upside right here, and then you can see that 61% is right there, and 78% is almost touched, almost, not quite, but let me see if it is touched already. Let me just put it on top of this. Come on, man. Yeah. Okay. So you see the 78% almost touched. It's not touched yet, but it's almost. So this is also a very nice area, either 61% or 78%. So we are like 61% of this whole big move, and then 78% almost of this rise from here to here. So I think that this is the area that we can bounce back up again. And according to my previous chart, that we will go back up towards this, right? How far we're gonna go, I have no idea right now. But I think that the first stop is that the 23% line is this. But if you draw the fifth from this top to all the way to the bottom, the 61% is coming exactly at this high 33.19, and this is the area 61%. So I think that we can bounce exactly from here, just above this 31.67. I'll be looking for long. And definitely I'm going to use my 150 or 200 box size chart for the entry, proper entry. And if you pull the fib from here to here, right now, let's say if it stops right where it is now, and the expansion, either 127 or 161, we look for. So 127 is right there, just around the 61%, right? But that's a very good ideal area. And then you can see that this 161% is right there at that 23% line of this big fib, right? So that, expansion, that 161% for wave 3 is coming exactly at this point here, 33.74. Right, so this is the mumbo jumbo that I'm looking at. 33.74, that's a 23% line, and 161 of this expansion is exactly there. And so first target is this 61% at 127. Bypassing this, breaking this, and then we go for 161 and 23 before we come down here and then test this one for wave 4. That would be like wave 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. That will be wave 1. Then we will drop for wave 2. Then we will go for wave 3 to the upside. Blah, blah, blah. Right? So this is the area. So pay very close attention here, 3150, 3167 area. And I'll be looking like I said that, long entry above 3167. So this is gold. That's what it's doing. And use whatever the system you use to make the entry, but this is how the Elliott wave, the harmonic pattern, all the mumbo jumbo that I do, and that helps a lot in determining that, like for example, I'm gonna finish this one here, and I'll show you a very interesting thing, that one of the pattern that my son was Omar was showing me, and I says, well, let me show you something else. I give you the surprise. So let me show you as well quickly. And that was NASDAQ, right? So NASDAQ chart, that was, what chart was he was showing me? I think was 40-minute chart, or even a small chart. Oh, forget it, because I forgot. There was something on his computer. I forgot which time frame he was showing me. There were several, pattern at the same time. 3 different patterns. Was it daily chart? No, I don't know. Anyway, so just pay attention to that goal, right? This is the chart. That where the heck that chart go? The chart I just made. Yeah, this is the one, right? So it came down a little bit here. I'm gonna re-record that chart again. So, but 31.67. That's what I'm looking for, a long above this area. Let's see what happens. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful Friday. And then if I don't make another video, then have a nice weekend.